Namaste friends, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about the nakshatra Pusha. In Tamil it's called Pusam. It maps the stars in the constellation of Cancer or Kadaga. Pusha is literally, meaning of Pusha in Sanskrit means, the root word for Pusha is Pushti. Pushti means nourishment. As its name applies, the people who have this Pusha Nakshatra or were born under the graces of Pusha Nakshatra are very caring and soft-hearted people. Okay, these people are known to be loving, very loving and possessive towards their family members and loved ones. Many of these nakshatras are seen doing jobs like nurse, doctors, healers, any form of nurturing is seen in this nakshatra. It's all about nurturing, right? These people, they were also very, they are very amiable, so that their affable personality takes to great heights. They just, they have just no limits for friends. Anywhere they go, they'll find friends very easily. People just love their personality, the way they approach people. They're not egoistic, they're not prideful. They're down to earth, they're very jovial and caring personality. So I would say it's one of the very good nakshatras. Their special ability. So if you are born under the Pusha nakshatra, your special ability is spiritual energy. Naturally, you are very spiritual. You're connected to the divine naturally, regardless of whether you practice religion or not. But spirituality is your special ability. The lordship for this nakshatra is Shani Bhagavan or Saturn. The presiding deity is Brihaspati or Jupiter. Jupiter is the presiding deity. The more, if you are born under this nakshatra, the more you propitiate Lord Brihaspati or Jupiter or Guru Bhagavan, the more prosperous your life will turn out to be. Okay, so that's a little bit about the Pusha nakshatra. Hope it has been beneficial. Please stay tuned for more videos from Prakash Jyotisha. Till the next time, thank you. Namaste.